Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Estate, and today I'm here in Kalina near the Mumbai University showcasing you a 2 BHK apartment. This apartment is very unique as this building has got just 2 apartments per floor and it's a 9-story building. There are 2 lifts in total. The density of the building is very good, very low density. There are no amenities in the building but you get 1 car parking for yourself. Let me now present to you the 2 BHK apartment. So presenting you the 2 BHK apartment, please come. You have a foyer area in this apartment, so nobody directly enters into the apartment. You get a place where you can do your exchange of groceries, etc. from the delivery person right outside. Then you have your living room over here. This way you can set up your dining area. This window faces the west, so you get ample of sunlight and breeze coming from here. This property is very close to Mumbai University, about 2 minutes walk from the Mumbai University. So this way you can set up your sofa, your living setup here. And here's your kitchen. So as you can see, we already have got the platform given. We already have the modular already set up. We have one more platform, service platform on the other side. Also, you have 2 windows in the kitchen for your ventilation. You have a window onto your left hand side. From here also you get a lot of sunlight and breeze come into your apartment. And this way also you have a window. You also have a gas pipeline connection already in place. Let me now tell you that the building is OC received already. So you have all the due diligences in the place, plus you have 1 car parking. There are 2 bedrooms to this, one on this side and one on that side. Let me now show you the bedroom which is this side. So the best part about this apartment is you get the sunlight on both the times, during morning and during evening. In the morning hours you get the sunlight from this side, which is the east facing side. Look at the size of the bedroom. I can easily walk even after having a very big king size bed in place. There's place on either sides of the bed too. Look at the light. There are no lights on at this point of time, but look at the natural sunlight that you see in the apartment. And here's the attached washroom. The size of the washroom is also very big. You have a separate dry and wet area. Plus whatever furniture that you see over here you get along with the apartment. This is a resale apartment. Very close to the Kalina Mumbai University. Now let me take you to the other bedroom, which is also a master bedroom. So the USP of this apartment is that there are 2 master bedrooms in this apartment. This way is your master bedroom. And your second master bedroom faces the west. So you get the evening sunlight come in to your second master bedroom. Already the mosquito net etc. is in place. As you know that this is a resale apartment, and this is your attached washroom. We have the air cons and all in place. We are going to give it as it is where it is. Air cons are there everywhere in the living and in both the bedrooms. So guys, this is a 2 BHK, approximately 700 carpet area. In case if you're interested in buying a ready to move in, OC received 700 plus carpet area apartment in Kalina, very close to Mumbai University, just 2 minutes walk away from Mumbai University, you can get in touch with me on the number given at the end of the screen. Thank you very much for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Olive Estate. Thank you.